Hello, my name is Murray Wilkinson and I'm from Future Gen, and today I'm going to be talking about the 8 tips that you should be thinking about at the end of this financial year. These tips are so good I've had to write them down in this book to make sure I get them out to you. So, 8 leading edge tips for the end of the financial year. First thing you need to think about, if you haven't already done it, is to make sure you maximise your superannuation contributions. The reason for this is that currently, if you are 50 years of age this year or over, you can put $35,000 into superannuation. If you're under 50 years of age, it's 30. 1st of July, next year, next financial year, that drops down to $25,000. So if you haven't done it, it's an opportunity to do it now, in the days before 30 June. That's number 1. Number 2, if you've got a spouse, male or female, who is earning $13,800 or less, then you can put $3,000 into their superannuation account and you can claim a tax offset. Now this is not like a tax deduction. A tax offset means that regardless of what you earn, if you put in the $3,000, 18% of that will come back to you as a tax offset. That is cash in the bank, $540. That's the benefit to that. That's idea 2. Idea 3, the co-contribution. If you are earning $36,000 or less and you put $1,000 into superannuation, the government will give you $500 and put that into your superannuation account. That's a 50% return for no effort and no risk. Good idea. Number 4, superannuation for next year. Don't forget, you must put in place what's called an effective salary sacrifice arrangement with your employer for next year. You need to do it in June to start for next financial year. Idea 5. This is the last year where we can use the bring forward rule. Hey, what's the bring forward rule? The bring forward rule says that essentially, if you can put $180,000 into superannuation after tax, you're allowed to bring it forward 3 times, so $540,000. So if you've got a windfall, sold a property, and you want to get that money into superannuation, then this is the last time you can get $540,000 into superannuation. What happens in the 1st of July next year is that drops to $300,000. So that's an opportunity. That's number 5. Number 6, your super fund. If you are successful enough to have $1.6 million already sitting in pension or greater in superannuation, particularly if it's greater, then you need to get the surplus monies, which are over 1.6 million, out of the pension account and into accumulation account or out of superannuation altogether. If you're not sure about that, give us a call, but that has to happen by the 30th of June. Number 7, prepay interest. Now why would you prepay interest? Interest rates are low. Yes, they are low, but they're rising. Now's the time. If you had a windfall this financial year, your taxable income is higher, consider prepaying 13 months worth of interest. And my last idea is number 8, which is the immediate asset deductibility rule. As you're aware in the budget, you may not be aware, the government prolonged this opportunity for small business. If you're in small business, you can immediately write off $20,000 this financial year if you purchase an asset which is less than $20,000 of value. It's a once-off, immediate deduction. So today, I've hoped to give you 8 ideas that you can actually put into place before the 30th of June. Once again, if you need some help, need some guidance, further explanation, give us a call. We're happy to help. Thank you.